Right, okay, so we're looking at this histogram. Manual collected information about the flights that arrived late at an airport last month. The table gives information about the number of minutes that these flights were delayed. That these flights were late. On the grid, draw a histogram for this information. So we know straight away the formula for a histogram. Do you remember it? Put it in the chat. Put it in the chat. It was frequency density. Let me know if I've written it right. Frequency density equals frequency divided by class width. Yeah? You remember that formula? So we need to work out, I mean, we've got frequency density on our y-axis, and we've got number of minutes late on our x-axis. And we need to work out frequency density, and we do that working out frequency, using the frequency and class width. So let's work out the class width. So to work out class width, we just do 10, take away 0, 15, take away 10, 10, 15, and 20. And then we do frequency density. We use this formula to do it. So the first one would be 8 divided by 10, which is 0.8. Then 13 divided by 5, which is 2.6. And then 10 divided by, nope, doing it the wrong way. 19 divided by 10, which is 1.9. And then you need to calculate for this one. 24, sorry, divided by 15. What is 24 divided by 15? Yeah, 1.6. And the last one, sorry, this is going a bit wonky. 6 divided by 20. So 6 divided by 20. Did you get a 0.3? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just match this up with another color. So you know which is which. That's that one. 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 Okay, so as you can see, frequency density is on the y-axis and class width. So how wide the classes are would go on the x-axis. Let's go ahead and draw it. So the first one is 0 to 10, and we're going up to 0.8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's 10 boxes. So 0.8 would just be 8. Yeah? So that's 0.8. So this is done this one correctly. And the next one is the class width is 5. So 10 to 5. And the frequency density is 2.6. So we're going to go up 1, 2, that's 2.5, and that's 2.6. You see that? So the width of 5. Let me know in the chat if that makes sense. So that's our next bar. Okay, the next one, the class width is 10. So 15 to 25. So that's 15, and that's 25. And what's the frequency density? So 10, 1.9. Going up to 1, 1.9 will be there. Okay, next one. So we've done. Next one is 20 factors forward. So the width, height is. Okay, are you guys happy with that? Yeah. So that's another one. And the last bar is 20. So it's got a width of 20, but it's a height of 0.6. So width of 20. So it's going from here to here. Sorry, 0.3. That's the frequency density. So 0.3. Ah, there we go. Boom. Okay. So now we've got a histogram board. Let me know in the chat if you're happy with that. Is that okay? Yeah. Awesome. Okay, let's go to the next question. The next question says, Manuel, Manuel selected at random a flight that was late by 25 minutes or less. So Manuel selected at random a flight that was late by 25 minutes or less. Okay, work out an estimate for the probability that this flight was late by 5 minutes. Okay, so first we have to find out how many how many were late by 25 minutes. Is that making sense? And then we're going to find out what proportion was what came under 5 minutes, right? So it's a bit just your regular fraction and percentage. So let's work out 25. So 25 would be here. Yeah. So these three bars, yeah. So these three bars here. So first, let's find out how many people fall into these three bars. So the first bar was 0 to 10. So 0 to 10 was 8 people. So we've got 8 plus, and then the next portion was 10 to 15. How many was 10 to 15? 13 people. Are you following, yeah? And then the last one, 15 to 25, and that was 19 people. So let's add this up. Let's see what we get. So 8 plus 13 is 21. 21 plus 19 is 40. So basically, Manuel selected at random a flight that was 25 minutes. That was late by 25 minutes. So, or less. That's why I went this way, by the way, because these were the ones that were all less than 25 minutes. Does that make sense? You see why I picked that proportion? Because it says 25 minutes or less. So I want anything up to 25 minutes because those are all that are less than 25 minutes. Okay, so 40. And then it says, work out an estimate for the probability that this flight was late by 5 minutes. So let's go and find that proportion for 5 minutes. In fact, you tell me. So that's 10 minutes, that's 5. So what is that proportion there? What is that number of flights there? Let me know. 5, exactly. Wait, no, hold on. No. That's 5. But what portion does that represent? How many people fall in that bar? Think about it. Look at the graph, it will help you. Well, what's 0 to 10? According to that table, how many fell in from 0 to 10? Are you sure? Look at the frequency for 0 to 10. It's 8. So what would be halfway of it? What would be half of that? Very good. It'll be 4. So what's 4 over 40 as a... Actually, it just says work out an estimate for the probability. So you can do percentage or decimal or percentage or fraction. So I can simplify that to 1 over 10. So I can write 1 over 10. I can write 10%. Is that all right? Is that making sense? Awesome. Okay.